All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs on the 4-hour time frame, and we'll have a look at some setups. So, hi, everyone. If you have any questions, please pop it into the chat box. Back in GBP, JPY. Awesome, Helen. Well done. All right. Hi, Gary. Hi, Helen. Hi, Rameswara. Welcome to the show. All right, let me share my screen. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start. This is a trade that we're already in, but I'm looking to enter a couple of trades. So we're going to start with the trades that need to be entered, and then I will review the others. So we're starting with GBP USD. So this currency pair on the daily has been going down for a little while, has pulled back up, and I'm actually looking to short it again. So looking for a short on this one. So on the 4-hourly time frame, in terms of the setup, I'm going to enter a short with the stop loss just above that highest point there. So let me just get my orders, not orders, I want a new order. Okay, and let's put that in. So I'm going to enter below the first one and 1, 2, 3. I'm going to shift 3 for the stop loss. I'm going to place a sell order there. Okay, let me just chart it up, scripts. Let's see how that goes. There we go, got our levels there. So that's the trade shorting GBP USD. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is AUD USD. So on AUD USD, on the daily also has been going down, and I'm looking to short that again. So on the 4-hourly, in terms of the setup for the short, I'll be entering just below the previous bar, and the stop loss will be, let's say, this highest point here, just in case it still ranges. So the stop loss will be on this bar, which is the 20th bar. And that's a sell order as well. There we go. So that's that one. Let's have a look at that. Put the, there we go. All right, and that is the price points for that trade, Aussie USD. So, all right, GBP USD. Yes, let's have a look at those levels again in case you missed it. So GBP USD, and the levels are there. Entry at 1.38659. Stop loss 139004. And I've got leveled profit targets in case you want to take some profit out as you go along, but the final profit target is at 1.37624. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know in the chat box. And I wanted to say thank you to Gary Lim for his script to help me put those levels in there a lot quicker. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. It's working great. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro AUD. This is This is a trade that we're already in from last week. If you've been following on the Telegram group, then you would have entered that trade. It has already reached TP1, and the trailing stop is currently at 1.59816. So actually that should say trailing stop. Trailing stop. There we go. So still staying in that. All right, let's have a look at some of the other currency pairs. I've got GBP JPY. That's a great one. I'm going to enter that one as well. That actually finished lower. So this is on the daily. It has been going down, and there are sort of two ways. It could still come back down to the bottom of the channel or keep going up. But at the moment, I'm still looking at it as a short, just because it's at those levels and not above. So I'm going to enter that one as a short as well. Let me have a look. Yeah. Oh, okay. No worries. If I think, yeah, I might have entered that one there just for 1 to 2, which got out. All right. But yeah, I'm going to enter that one again. So let me just get my toolkit up. Let's say load. Okay. Oh. All right, let's have a look at this one. So new order. I'm going to reduce the risk on this one. Entry 1 pip below. Let's say the stop loss would be, I think that bar just now has been with the highest 152,613. 6. So yeah, so that's the highest point there. So I'm going to enter just below the previous bar and the stop loss just above it. Same. Okay, there we go. So that's that one. Let me draw those levels up there using my tool here. Excellent. All right, so those are the levels if you want to enter that trade. Entry at 152.188. Stop loss 152.681. And the final profit target at 150.709. GBP-JPY, yep. GBP-JPY, excellent. Got entered already. Fabulous. All right, let's have a look at the next currency pair. Euro-JPY. Okay, that one I'm looking for a short. In terms of the daily, it's been going down. It's going sideways now, just a little pause there. Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, weekly still going down. So I'm looking for a short on this currency pair, but looking to enter a little bit higher up. So just sort of at the top of this price range, if there is a reversal. So might be waiting maybe a few more bars, see what happens there. Okay, now let me just check the messages. Numbers are different. Oh, GBP JPY, I'll show that order. Moving off too fast for me. So, okay, no worries. I will go back to GBP JPY so you can get those levels. There it is, yeah. So if you're copying those, copy that on those levels. And all right, next currency pair is USD JPY. So USD JPY, I was looking for a short on the daily. Still looking short there. Weekly, basically it's just getting off this horizontal level. So looking for a short. I did miss that trade there. Not sure what happened, but there was a good entry, those 4 bars there, the 3 bars, 1, 2, 3, after that, but I missed it. So I didn't enter on this one. And now it's too late. So it would have to come back onto that one. But yeah, still sort of looking for short if it comes back to the trend line. Let me check. Okay, yeah, if you entered on the other numbers, it's probably fine. Sometimes they're just a little bit out because I use the offset, which is the average of the spread included as well. So if the spread changes, you know, from previous time I entered it, so there might be a small change in the actual numbers for the entry and exit, but that's fine. All right, looking at Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm looking for a long. So it's not a conclusive long at this point. I was obviously looking for short all the way down here. But with this price action at the bottom, I'm now thinking probably long. I would like to see the price action here go a little bit further up and then pull back to an area around here before I would look for the long opportunity. So that's a little while away. Yeah, really looking to see what happens with the price action here. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm looking for a long. So this is the daily weekly view. So coming off that support 1.2 on the daily, it's been going up. So still looking for a little bit of an up until the top's there. I was actually trying to enter that before around this area here, but didn't quite get in. So maybe I will try to re-enter again if there is a good price action again on this one. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro GBP. The Euro GBP, this is a currency that is ranging at the moment. So I'm looking at this as a ranging strategy as opposed to a trending. And I'm looking to take a long position off the bottom of the channel there, of the range. So I'm waiting, still waiting for a setup. I tried to enter there, which was a little bit early. So I will wait for another setup now that it's dropped a bit further. So if there is anything in terms of a reversal, I will be taking another long trade on this currency pair if the setup happens in the next probably couple of days. Yeah, so I'll be looking at that. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is GBP CAD. So GBP CAD similarly is in the ranging pattern. I have tightened that the range a little bit to really just look at the main price range and where it's going. So I'm looking to short of the top of that range. And at the moment on the 4 hourly, I'm waiting for a better reversal. So probably an engulfing or something like that. I prefer a little bit of sideways movement first and then the reversal. So we'll be keeping an eye on this one for a short. So there you go. That's the end of the analysis. Let me know if you have any questions. Pop it in the chat box. If you want to follow along on the Telegram group, then I post all the trades that I take, plus all the updates as well of the trade management. So if you're not a member, I'm just posting a link in the chat box now where you can subscribe to that service and follow along on the Telegram group. All right. So if there are no other questions, let me see. If you check trades, please put up there. Yeah, so I always check the trades on the 4 hourly if I'm available, and then I post the update after that. If you think that the trade is going to go in the wrong direction, you should have a stop loss. So it doesn't really matter. You know what the maximum loss is, and always set your profit targets well, you know, proportionate least risk to reward 1 to 2, so you can get a good return overall. Yeah, if you get out quick, that means that you're taking very small profits and then one loss wipes you out. So maybe look at a strategy where you could have a better return on each risk that you're taking. Yeah, that would be my advice, because small profits, it's really hard to make money. It's really hard to make trading as a business and profitable if you have very small profits. Anyway, that's my view, and that's the sort of strategy that I use, is at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio for the exit. All right. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me live today. It was a pleasure to have you here. Hi, Osmar. Nice to have you here. And I will see you again next Wednesday at 1 p.m. So all the best with trading, and see you again either in the Telegram group or next week live here at 1 p.m. Singapore time. Bye for now.